Hello lovelies, you're welcome to my channel. It is your girl Precious RGK. Today I'll be teaching you one of my best selling hair growth cream. This one is super effective because I make use of just natural ingredients. Natural, when I say natural ingredient, very active natural ingredient. As you can see, I'm making use of 2 tablespoons of clove. Clove helps our hair to grow. Clove helps promote healthy hair growth. It reduces hair fall, outshine to our hair, control dandruff. Clove is very beneficial to our hair. Another ingredient I'll be using is my star anise. If you don't know what star anise is, this is star anise. So I'll be using 2 tablespoons of my star anise. Star anise outshine to our hair, increase blood circulation to the scalp, prevent hair fall. Star anise is another important ingredient that we need. Also, another thing I'll be using for this hair cream is my bay leaf. This is what we use in preparing our jollof rice, our fried rice. It's also good to the hair. If you don't know, bay leaf control dandruff, increase blood circulation to the hair, improve healthy hair growth. Bay leaf is another thing you need for your hair. If you've not been adding it, please make sure you incorporate it to your hair regimen. Another thing I'll be needing for this recipe, guys, is my fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is another thing that helps our hair to grow really long and thick, condition our hair, outshine to our hair, reduce hair fall, prevents hair breakage. In fact, is super effective. So when I'll just go ahead and blend everything dry in my blender. So you can see I'm blending already. Guys, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please tell me where to subscribe to my channel. Also, please don't leave without liking this video. Don't leave without subscribing to my channel. Please, I need you guys to subscribe. And if you are a return subscriber, wow, you are welcome. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for everything. Thank you for all the likes, for all the share. I'm super grateful. So here it is. I have finished blending everything, and at this point I'll just pour it in this bowl. And after pouring in the bowl, I'll mix it with my extra virgin olive oil. So you can see this is my extra virgin olive oil. I'll just pour it and mix it really well. And after mixing it, guys, I'm going to leave it to infuse for all the ingredients to infuse in the oil for 6 days. Guys, I said 6 days because I need everything to infuse in the oil. I need my star anise, my clove, my bay leaf, my fenugreek seed. I want everything to infuse in the oil. So this is at the end of 6 days. Let's see. You can see the color, everything has changed. You can see it is dark, everything has infused in my oil. And at this stage, I'll just go ahead and sieve it. Guys, you know I always ask you to sieve your hair product so that all these things won't be stuck on your hair. So I just go ahead and sieve, as you can see me doing on this video. You can save with anything you have, guys. Save with hanky, anything, but make sure that none of those residue, none of those particle is in the oil. You can see the color of my oil, guys. From the color, you will know that this hair cream is wow. Like I said, guys, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do me a favor by subscribing. Also, like this video, share this video. Your likes mean so much to me. Your like will make YouTube to recommend this video to more people. Your share, the more your like will make YouTube to recommend it to more people, thereby giving me more subscribers. Thank you. So at this stage, I will go about and melt my shea butter. Please, you can use any butter that you have. You can use your mango butter, any butter you have. I usually use mango butter and shea butter, but for today my mango butter has finished, so I'm using just my shea butter. And it is okay with all those ingredients that you add, that you infuse in your oil. You should know that your hair cream is wow, so you don't have nothing to worry about. This stage takes some time because you're melting, so don't worry, it's worth it. So at this stage, I have finished melting my oil. So I'll just go about mix my oil together with my mix my shea butter together with my infused oil. So this is it. I have mixed both oils together. I've mixed the oil and my butter together, and I will add, this part is optional guys. If you don't have it, don't go breaking the bank. I'll add 3 drop of my tea tree essential oil and also 2 ml of my lavender essential oil. I'll also go about and add my peppermint essential oil. So after adding everything, I'll just keep it in my freezer and allow it to solidify. I don't want it to be so strong. This is the consistency. If you want yours to be very, very strong, it's okay. Guys, sorry when I put it in my freezer, I didn't know the container bent. So that is why it is like this. So I'm using spoon to arrange it so I can whisk it. So I just go about and whisk it. Whisk it very, very well. If you want yours to be stronger than this, if you don't want like this consistency, you can leave yours longer in the freezer, but this is the consistency I want, so this is it. I'll just go about and mix it. Guys, once again, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't leave without subscribing. Please don't leave without liking this video, and also don't forget to click on the notification icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you. And if you're a return subscriber, wow, wow, wow. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the share. Remember, I'm super grateful. I'm very, very grateful. May God bless you. So I just go about to whisk, and I have finished whisking it, guys. So I just go about and pour it in my container. Do you like my hair cream? This hair cream is in fact is, I don't know how to describe it, but if you tell me your hair, if you tell me you have damage on your hair is damaged, very, very damaged, this is what you need. This is what I give you, and my clients have confirmed it that this hair cream is super effective. You can also give it a try and come and tell me how it's work on your hair at the comment section. So guys, like I said, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like this video. Your like will make YouTube to recommend this video to more people. It will make YouTube, it will make this video to go viral, thereby giving more subscribers. Thank you very much. I remember I love you. So here it is. You can see my hair cream. It is super, super effective, guys. Give it a try and come and tell me how it works on your hair. Thank you.